it's Miss Hake back again. Do you remember doing the moon phases yesterday? Wow. Get some clay or some Play-Doh, and I actually want you to make the spheres and show the moon phases with a dark color Play-Doh for the dark, shady part, and of course, yellow or orange for the moon part that you can see in the sun. So it's really easy to start off with the full moon because you know that it's totally in the sun. So what shape do we make again? We make a sphere. You got it. And you can take your moon phase chart out and you can totally construct it on top so you don't forget. So here comes my full moon and it's a sphere. So I'm going to put that guy there. Now I want to make a gibbous moon. So I'm going to go backwards. So I need to know that I need to have mostly yellow. So this is Play-Doh that we don't care about mixing, and a little bit of blue on the side. All right, some of it's in the shade. Since it's a sphere, I'm going to need to make sure that I cover there. Do you see? Oops. Do you see? Yeah. Then I want you to keep going and going and going with your Play-Doh or your clay to try to make the moon out of Play-Doh and clay. So much fun, and you can practice saying the names of the phases. New moon, crescent. Oh my goodness. Have a beautiful time, and don't forget to wash your hands when you're done. Look what Miss Hake's hands are like. They're full of blue and black. Oh my. Have so much fun. Bye.